Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and I'm back with another cooking video. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make the best macaroni and cheese, baked macaroni and cheese ever, okay? So you see the cheese sauce right here, right? I'm going to show you how to make this cheese sauce. And I'm going to show you the cheeses that I'm putting on top of this macaroni and cheese right here. And if you follow everything that I'm doing in this video, you're going to love the outcome. All right? You're going to love the outcome in the next clip that you're going to see. You're going to be like, oh, yeah, I know that baked macaroni and cheese tastes delicious. So if you would like to see how I got this finishing touch right here of this baked macaroni and cheese, I advise you to continue watching. So guys, first things first, these are the seasonings. I use a teaspoon of each one of these seasonings. These are the cheeses that I use, and I use the deluxe box of macaroni and cheese just like my mama used to, okay? Now, for my noodles, I like to boil my noodles in some chicken bouillon for flavor. Because don't nobody want no bland-ass macaroni noodles. No. So, I like flavor throughout my whole baked macaroni and cheese process, okay? So, I'm going to boil these noodles until, you know, they're nice and tender. You don't want no soggy, soft noodles because that will ruin your whole macaroni and cheese dish, okay? So once these noodles are done, I'm going to rinse them with cold water to stop the cooking process while they are sitting aside for me to make my cheese sauce. Now make sure you follow everything I'm doing with my cheese sauce because that's what's going to either make or break your macaroni and cheese. So you don't want to add too much damn flour and then your shit be all lumpy. So make sure you follow what I'm doing in this cheese sauce and do not scorch your cheese sauce, okay? So you got to turn your fire down. But I'm not going to talk in this whole video. But if you follow everything that I'm doing, you will love the end result. And every time you go to your family function, they're going to be like, hey, make that baked macaroni and cheese that you made at your house. You're going to be the new baked macaroni and cheese king or queen. You hear me? So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to make this baked macaroni and cheese. And, yeah, you already know, guys. Until next time, be safe and be blessed. And enjoy this baked macaroni and cheese video. And enjoy it when you make it at home for your next Sunday meal. Bye.
That's why I don't mind to spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true. And I'm digging you, you make me believe that your love is work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. In the cafe, man, da, 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 da. Drive me a dessert. Listen to you lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. Da, 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 da. When you walk out, da, 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 da. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I would never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your past against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this too. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel why. You see me, I feel why. You see me do my da 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 da. So me by that why. When you walk out, la 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 la. When the girl from my ta.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done. Let the work come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come over. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You